Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in fashion and costumes. Today, we're highlighting the ultimate Cher Clueless costume for kids. This outfit is perfect for Halloween, themed parties, or just some fun dress-up play. Let's get into the details that make this costume a standout choice. The Remimi Halloween 90s Schoolgirls costume features a stylish plaid design that truly channels the iconic looks from the beloved movie, Clueless. The outfit is designed with a one-piece dress that comes with an attached blazer, capturing that classic schoolgirl aesthetic. Made from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, this costume is not only lightweight and breathable but also incredibly comfortable for all-day wear. Perfect for active kids who want to run around and enjoy their day. One of the highlights of this costume is the vibrant yellow color and vintage plaid pattern. It's eye-catching and sure to turn heads, whether at a party or trick-or-treating. The long sleeves add a bit of warmth, making it versatile for cooler fall evenings. Plus, it's machine washable. So, if things get messy, you don't have to worry. When it comes to sizing, this costume caters to a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small to 2XL. The size chart is clear and easy to follow, ensuring a great fit for your child. This means that whether your little one is a size 4 or 22, they can step into the role of Cher with confidence. This costume is not just for Halloween. It's perfect for costume parties, school events, or even just imaginative play at home. Pair it with a cute tiara or some fashionable earrings, and your child will look like the fashionably dressed school star everyone adores. One of the great things about this outfit is how it encourages creativity and play. Kids can embody Cher's character, leading to fun adventures and imaginative scenarios. It's an opportunity for them to express themselves and have a blast while doing it. So, if you're looking for the best Cher Clueless costume for your child, look no further than the Remimi Halloween 90s Schoolgirls costume. With its stylish design, comfortable fit, and versatility, it's sure to be a hit this Halloween season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy costuming!